Hello everyone, welcome to this channel, and in this video I'm going to share something that I have recently tried and that quickly shifted my energy. Before that, I would like to tell you I have started the series called Dil Se Dil Tak, where I'm going to share something that I have gone through, like especially in the 10 years of the journey, whatever that I have gone through and what I have learned specifically from these things. What are the things that has helped me to come out of certain situations? What are certain things that has helped me to become the version that I have become today? If I'll compare myself to my younger self 10 years back, that's a huge difference. So what are the things that has actually helped me to come out of that, and what has worked, what has didn't work, all these learnings, all these wisdom that I'm going to share it with you, right? So that the motive behind creating this video, that if I have to show this video to my younger self, that self will feel supported, that self will feel guided somewhere in the journey. And even if you are stuck in the same situation, and if you found or anybody found here in the similar situation, these videos can somewhere guide them. They will somewhere feel supported in throughout the journey. Reason is also to motivate that if I can come out of those situations, you can do it too. Okay, so without wasting time, let's start the video. ऐसा बहुत बार होता है ना कि हम ऐसे सिचुएशन में रहते हैं जहाँ पे हमें बहुत सारी चीज़ें करनी होती हैं, लाइक आपने कुछ प्लान किया है, एट द सेम टाइम कुछ और भी चीज़ें आ जाती हैं, राइट, विच यू हैव नेवर थॉट, विच यू हैव नॉट प्लान्ड एट ऑल. समटाइम्स यू पैनिक, right, and your brain starts thinking, how am I going to manage so much? I don't know how to handle those tasks. I don't know how it will get completed in a certain time. I don't know. So ये सारी चीज़ें होने लगती है, एंड ऑन द टॉप ऑफ दैट वी स्टार्ट टॉकिंग टू आवर सेल्फ नेगेटिवली. वी स्टार्ट सेइंग दैट आई एम गुड फॉर नथिंग. वी स्टार्ट सेइंग मेरे से तो कभी कुछ नहीं सही होता. आई ऑलवेज मिस द डेडलाइन. आई ऑलवेज डोंट परफॉर्म माई प्रोमिसेस. आई ऑलवेज डिले एंड ब्ला 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 ब्ला, एंड the list goes on and on and on, right? ये चीज़ें जब हम इस एनर्जी में पहुंच जाते हैं जहाँ पे वी आर पैनिकिंग अ लॉट, जहाँ पे हम सेल्फ डाउट कर रहे हैं, जहाँ पे हम अपनी एबिलिटी को क्वेश्चन कर रहे हैं, वी आर जस्ट टॉकिंग नेगेटिव टू आवर सेल्फ, ऑल दीज एनर्जीज जस्ट ड्रेन अस. इट जस्ट ड्रेन्स आवर एनर्जी. ऐसा नहीं है कि ऐसा जब हमने सोचा, इस वरी वाली एनर्जी में जब हम हैं, इट्स नॉट हेल्पिंग अस एनीवेयर, राइट? इट इज़ नॉट हेल्पिंग अस इवन टू कंप्लीट द टास्क. तो प्रोडक्टिविटी और बढ़ने के बजाय वो और कम होता जाता है, राइट? व्हाट इफ वी कैन बी इन द सिचुएशन जहाँ पे हमारी एनर्जी भी ड्रेन ना हो और हम अपने टास्क भी टाइम से कंप्लीट कर ले. सो रिसेंटली आई वॉज इन द सिमिलर सिचुएशन जहाँ पे मुझे बहुत सारे काम कंप्लीट करने थे, एंड एट द सेम टाइम कुछ ऐसी चीज़ें आ गई दैट आई हैव नॉट प्लान्ड एट ऑल. Now in that situation, I had two choices. The first choice, either I can choose to stay in that energy of worry, tension, panic and do that task. Second, to uplift my energy so that I can focus more on a particular task and I will be able to complete that task with a happy energy, not with a worry energy. So I choose the later one, where I choose कि ऐसे तो काम नहीं होने वाला है, रुक जाते हैं. What I did, it instantly shifted my energy. So what I did is I took a pause and I played a soft, relaxing music on my phone. I will put that music in my description box, so you can just simply click on that. Else आपको बहुत सारी ऐसी relaxing music मिल जाएंगी YouTube पे. You just have to search that and you will get it. ठीक है? I played that and I was just listening to that music. And I kept listening for 5 to 10 minutes. जब तक मैं थोड़ा शांत फील नहीं करने लग गई, I was listening to that. My whole focus was just to concentrate on listening to that music. At the same time, you can focus on your breath. You can focus, अगर आप ऐसी जगह पे हो जहाँ पे सराउंडिंग के आवाज़ आ रहे हैं, let it come. And the main focus should be to just listen to that music and bring back your attention to the present moment. Right? So that is what I was doing. Now, when I was doing that, I was also asking certain question to myself The first question I asked that what are the tasks have I been able to complete in the last few days? We're trying to shift the focus of our brain from what we have not done to what we have done so far, whether in the last 1 week, whether it is in the last 2 days, or whether it is in the last 1 month, whatever it is. I was trying to ask this question, and I started seeing that, okay, yeah, I have been able to do this task, that task, and the list goes on and on and on as well. And it instantly made me feel good that yes, I have done it before, I can do it this time as well. Another question that I asked, which is really very important, as I completed those tasks, have I paused in between to celebrate and acknowledge that? And the answer was no. So in the last 2 days, I did those tasks, but I didn't actually pause to acknowledge and appreciate that, hey, I did it. And I truly believe that whatever that we do, we should really appreciate, we should acknowledge our effort, energy that we are putting to complete anything, right? So we should definitely celebrate those small wins, and it really matters a lot. Okay, it also helps you in shifting your energy, it also helps you in boosting your confidence from within, right? When I was doing that, it actually made me feel a bit calm. It instantly shifted my focus from what still has to be done to what have I done so far. बहुत बार होता है कि हम अपने छोटी छोटी विंस को सेलिब्रेट नहीं करते, एंड फिर हम एक ऐसे जोन पे चले जाते हैं जहाँ पे हम बस बहुत ज़्यादा खुद से एक्सपेक्ट किए जा रहे हैं, एंड फिर हम नेक्स्ट टू नेक्स्ट टू नेक्स्ट बस गोल ही सेट किए जा रहे हैं खुद के लिए. आर ऑल फोकस एंड एनर्जी इज इनटू क्या बाकी है अभी भी इन दिस लाइफ टाइम ना. कभी भी ऐसा नहीं होगा कि कोई काम आप कभी भी लगेगा कि इट इज़ 100% डन और अभी कोई काम ही नहीं है. ऐसा तो कभी नहीं होने वाला है टिल वी आर अलाइव, राइट? सो दैट्स व्हाई इट इज़ वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट कि in between we need to take some pause and celebrate those small wins also. क्योंकि इस भाग दौड़ में और इस रश वाली दुनिया में कि अभी ये भी करना है वो भी करना है, बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं, हम ये भूल गए हैं कि we are not human doings but we are human beings, aren't we? We have to pause, we have to take a break, and we have to recharge ourselves, we have to celebrate those small wins. शायद किसी और के लिए वो विन बहुत बड़ा नहीं होगा, बट फॉर यू it is, right? Because you are putting your effort and energy into that, you are completing that task for yourself and you are doing something that you are promising to yourself, right? So बहुत बार हम इसलिए पॉज नहीं लेते क्योंकि हमें लगता है कि पॉज लेने से, रुकने से हमारी प्रोडक्टिविटी और कम होती जाती है, बट दिस इज़ अ मिथ. व्हाट आई हैव सीन थ्रू आउट माई जर्नी कि जब जब मैंने एक पॉज लेकर खुद को ऐसे सेलिब्रेट किया है, ऐसे अप्रिशिएट किया है, एंड आई हैव एक्नॉलेज्ड माई एफर्ट, इट हैज़ एक्चुअली हेल्प मी टू डबल माई प्रोडक्टिविटी. बिकॉज अब मैं नेक्स्ट टाइम एक एनर्जी के साथ जा रही हूँ कि हे उस हाई एनर्जी में हूँ, हैप्पी एनर्जी में हूँ, एक फुलफिल्ड एनर्जी में हूँ, एक कॉन्फिडेंस अंदर से है कि हाँ मैंने चीज़ें करी हैं और अब मैं जो भी गोल्स अपने लिए डिसाइड कर रही हूँ वो भी मैं कर सकती हूँ. तो एक जब हम इस कॉन्फिडेंस के साथ नए गोल सेट करते हैं, इट हिट्स टू अ डिफरेंट लेवल, और आप ये तभी देख सकते हो व्हेन यू विल एक्सपीरियंस इट, राइट? सो if you feel currently your routine is not working the way it should, maybe this is what you need to take a pause. Celebrate those wins, acknowledge it, appreciate yourself, because हम दूसरों को तो बहुत appreciate करते हैं, हम खुद को नहीं करते, right? So इससे तो आप अपनी एनर्जी शिफ्ट कर ही रहे हो. At the same time, you are also boosting your self-confidence. You are also giving the evidence to your brain कि hey, मैं चीज़ें complete भी करती हूँ. अगर आप इस सिचुएशन में हो, so this video can be a reminder for you कि before setting the next deadline for yourself, take a break, pause, recharge. And when I'm saying to celebrate and recharge, it can be by doing something that makes you feel alive. It can be by doing something that makes you feel happy and good from within. Maybe आप बहुत दिन से कुछ कहीं जाने की सोच रहे थे, right? You wanted to go on that beautiful cafe and have your favorite dessert. just go and celebrate it like that, right? If you are the one who love doing painting, if you are the one who love dancing, singing, whatever it is, take some time out and do that, because you have earned that time for yourself by doing the previous work that you set. So yes, this is what I wanted to share. I hope you like this video. If you have found this video valuable and helpful, make sure to hit the like button. Let me know in the comment section if you are going to try this out, and you can also share your experience after trying this out, that how it has helped you, because it definitely going to help you, right? It instantly shifted my energy. It is going to help you for sure. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to subscribe, because I'm going to come up with more such videos. Okay, see you in the next video. Till then, stay happy, spread happiness.